If you're looking to improve your sound quality, these high-dense panels can reduce unwanted echoes and reflections. These are a great option for recording videos, for audio recording, podcasts, live music, interviews, anything that requires improving the sound quality. There are a total of 36 panels, acoustic foams that are 2 inches. As you can see, they expand, and the foam dense panels absorb medium to high frequency of sound. So I've allowed the foam panels to fully expand. You want to let them fully expand about 24 hours. As you could see in the previous video, they were flat because they are compressed. They come in a 12 pack and it's a total of 36. The great thing about these is that they are easy to cut. And then also in the back, the way that you want to place them, you want to add some type of adhesive or double-sided tape. And again, you can fit this on the wall. They are pretty thick. I'm going to just go ahead and show you what they look like. They are like vertical like this. I have 2 right here just to show you for reference, but very, very thick foam board. So these will help with noise reduction. So definitely would recommend, check them out. They are so simple to use, very easy to put together, and I like how they were neatly packaged. And once you allow them to lay out for, like I said, over 24 hours, they are going to go ahead and fully expand and they are ready for use.